Emily, what are you doing? Smile. This is for Uncle Slade. He asked for more videos of Miss Emily, so I figured, well, I better take a little quick one here in the computer room. I don't know if you can see outside onto the deck or not. It's a decent day today. This is the computer room. Shannon is vacuuming in the living room in there. I don't know if you can see her or not, but Emily, what you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you having fun today? You don't have to work. All you do is play all day. You got a rough life. Hey, hey. Can you say Slade? Say Slade. Say Slade. Emily. Say Slade. Say Eric. Say Michelle. Say Haley. Smile.